Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Ford Focus SE hatchback, stock number B9961P. 38,000 miles on this Focus. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, magnetic gray in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back, folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. Automatic transmission. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Focus has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon and the city average of 36 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 40% tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.